So today's video is going to be a haul. I have a lot of like PR packages that I got in the mail, and also some brands that I'm working with to make a sponsored or make a post for on Instagram. I have 3 different brands that I'm super excited to share with you. They're in the description, so you already know who they are. Also, I did get some really cool pants that I wanted to share with you, and then some cool, just like, what do I call these? Like health and wellness products, I guess. So yeah, I'm really excited to share those with you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff down below, and let's get started. So first off, this video is going to be a little bit of like a try on, but I'm also going to show pictures if I already wore the item. I don't want to try it on again because I feel like this video is already going to be too long for me. I do like super short little videos, but yeah. Let's do the health and wellness one. First off, I got a little package from Frank Body. It came in this adorable little bag, and it's like the material of like a laptop case, and I almost wish it was bigger so I could put my laptop in it, but I think I'm gonna put my iPad in there. And it says "Touch Me Babe." It's super cute. And inside came these 3 scrubs. First one is the original coffee scrub. I love this one. I'm really glad that they gave me this because I'm like pretty much out of mine already. Next is this one. It's the In Your Dreams Sleep Scrub and Soak, and you use it the exact same way, and all of these are naturally derived, 100%, not tested on bunnies, made in Australia, and vegan friendly, so you can't go wrong with those. And then last is this Fizzy Body Scrub. I have really been wanting to try this one, so I was super excited when I got this one, and they're all like the full-size packets, so I was like really excited about that. And yeah, let me know if you want to see a video of how I use these. I did one of these when I got my first care package with Frank Body, so let me know if you want to see how they work, what they feel like, what they smell like, all that stuff, because I haven't used these yet. So next up, for the health and wellness beauty products, whatever that little category I just made up is, are these masks. They're from InnisFree. I believe that's how you say it. InnisFree. I'm probably saying it wrong, but I actually have tried these masks before and I really love them. They're one of the, like face masks that you put on, and they come in different like types. So this one is pomegranate, fig, and then these last 3 are interesting ones. This one is ginger, burdock. I think that's how you say it, burdock. And then potato. So I'm really excited to use the potato one. It says it's moisturizing, soothing, has 5 hyaluronic acid complex, vegan certified, badge gradable sheet, and I am excited to use these. These first 2 I think I have used before, and like I said, they work really well, so I'm excited for that. And then I got these adorable little lip balms. Let me make sure they're facing the camera. So they're in 3 different, I don't know if they're scents, but like colors. This one has the most pigment. It is the Very Berry Tea. This one's kind of like a clear. It's the Sky Vanilla Tea, and then this one is Wild Hibiscus, and I already tried them. I put them all 3 on my lips actually, and I love them. I'm literally going to buy more when I run out. They're kind of like, they remind me of like the Glossier balms, which I really love those too, and they're just kind of like a really good thickness, and so they're super hydrating, and I really love the packaging. I think they're so cute, so I'm really excited to use these, genuinely. Okay, so the first brand that I'm going to show you is from Missguided. I'm super excited to work with them again. I absolutely love their products, and I love the stuff that they send me. So I am going to do a try on for these because I haven't shot them quite yet. So I'll show you what they look like on. First one is this butterfly top. It has like a little crisscross and shows your midriff a little bit. It's a high neckline. I think it's super creative and something that like I would definitely wear if I want to just, you know, like make a little statement. The next one is going to be this long sleeve top. I think the print is really cool and it's something that I definitely wear, you know, with like black jeans or something and then some heels. Something for like a casual night, or, you know, dress it up a little bit and add some heels with it. This next one, it's a pretty simple like one piece and it says Missguided, but those tops are definitely my favorite. They're the ones that like I tend to wear the most actually when I'm, you know, just going to the store or something. So I was really excited for this one. Next up is this denim dress. It is a little bit big on me, but I think I'm gonna belt it, you know, or just leave it open with like a crop top and something, you know, a little bit cooler for the winter. And I really love it though. It's like a good thick material, so it's not one of those like, oh, it looks like denim but it's not, you know. So I really love that. And lastly is this set from Missguided. It's like a windbreaker material, and if you know me, you know I love neutrals, so I absolutely am loving that one. I think it's like something really cool. I'm really into sets right now. So yeah, I know that was kind of quick, but I'm trying to, you know, just fit everything into a small amount of time. But yeah, I will try to link everything below. They didn't send me links and I didn't pick out these links, so I will try my very best to do that. Next is another brand that I'm super excited to work with. Actually, all of these brands I'm really excited to work with. They're like really good brands, and I feel like when I genuinely like them, that's when I make like more content with the items that I get. And so that's why I'm making this video. So next is from Glassons. I say Glassons, I don't know if it's Glassons. Glassons? I don't know. You know what I mean though. And it is, I already took these pictures, so it is this set that I shot. I absolutely loved it. I think this skirt is like so unique, and it's kind of a little bit, not a sweater material, but a little bit thicker. So you can wear it with tights under, or, you know, like a brownish, reddish jacket, and it would be super cute. So, and I also really like this crop top. I like them paired together, but definitely a good set that you can pair apart as well. Next is a try-on because I haven't shot it yet. It is this sweater halter top, and I love it. I think it's super like 70s vintagey vibes, so I thought that was really cool. And it is adjustable, which I like that. I hate when like it's too big or too small and you can't really change it. And then I also got this little crop top. It's more of like a casual, you know, stay-at-home crop top or something when you're having like a sleepover with your girlfriends kind of look. But I have been wearing it out. I think it's super cute and super cool to wear with like high-waisted pants. So these next items are from another huge brand that I am, again, super excited to work with, and this is from Pretty Little Thing. So first off is this shirt dress, and I love the neutral. I'm super excited about it. Again, I belted it, and I got this belt again from Pretty Little Thing. It's just like an oversized belt with some of these, what are they called? There's a name for them, and I just got them from the craft store. I'll figure it out and put it right there. Yeah, and I love the way that I paired this. I think it's a really cool neutral and something that's really easy to just throw on. Next are these shorts, and I love pleather shorts. If you have been paying attention to my Instagram stories, I have been wanting pleather shorts for so long. I have like a pleather skirt, but it just wasn't the same. So I love this one, and then I paired it with this black like blazer jacket. I think the buttons are really cool on this one, and I'm excited to like just pair them together, make a little statement, a little black moment, you know. And then I also got this skirt, and I love the color. And then again, this belt like really did it for me. One, it looked like it would be very flattering on like any girl's legs, but like my legs, I know kind of where it hits and where it should be flattering. And so I really like this one, especially like the belt detailing again sold it for me. So I'm excited to wear this one. I already know where I'm gonna wear it to also. And lastly are these pants that I got. I got 2 pairs of pants from Shein. Shein, this one was not sponsored, and honestly I really like Shein, but they're just really controversial sometimes, so I try not to buy from Shein. But I did get these 2 pants, again not sponsored, but I had to show you. They're super fun. They're like zebra print, and so I was excited. I already know how I'm going to style them as well. I saw another girl actually on Instagram wear these green ones, so that's why I just had to buy them. And then I found these brown ones, and I was like, okay, I might as well, you know. They were like $16 each, something like that. So I'll be sure to, all the links that I can find, I will definitely link below, and you can check those out. So yeah, I hope this was kind of short, kind of not too long. I don't like doing long videos. But yeah, thanks for watching my mini haul with some of the PR packages that I've gotten recently. I cannot wait to show you some more. Be sure to check out my Instagram to see how I actually styled all of these. Like, comment, subscribe, leave me an Instagram message, and all that fun stuff. Make my day. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!